Do you want to know how to work out the probability using the Casio graphics calculator? I am going to show you how to do it. We're going to look at this example. The diameters of a rivet produced by a particular machine, x millimeters, is modeled as x is approximately a normal distribution, the mean is 8, and the variance is 0.2 squared. Find the probability of x is greater than 8. So we are going to use the calculator to work out that probability of x is greater than 8. So what you want to do first, we have probability of x is greater than 8. We go into the calculator in menu and we will choose 2 and we go to F5 distribution. In distribution, we want the normal distribution. Press F1. And we want the normal cumulative distribution, so we press F2. So at the top you will see normal cumulative distribution and the data is variable. Lower value, where do we start? We want to start at 8. So the lower value is 8. You would press 8 on the calculator and press execute. The upper value, we want a very large number because we want it to cover everything. So we can use 99999 for the upper value. So for the upper value, we will press 9999999, carry on. And for the standard deviation, 0.2. So sigma is 0.2. We type that in, press execute on the calculator, and it will give you the probability as 0.5. So the probability of x is greater than 8 is 0.5, which is half of that. You can look at the diagram. It represents half of that bell-shaped curve. For part B, from 7.8 all to 8.2. So we want to start at 7.8, and where we start, and we want to end at 8.2. So you go into the calculator and menu, you would press 2 to go into the statistics mode. You go distribution, press F5 to get to distribution, and you choose normal distribution, NORM, F1 for normal distribution. And we want the normal cumulative distribution, F2, and the data is variable. The lower number, which is where we start in the calculator, is written as lower. The lower, you would put 7.8. And for the upper, you will put 8.2. So we start, lower is 7.8. Execute. Upper is 8.2. Press execute. Sigma is 0.2 standard deviation, and the mean 8. And that will give you 0.68268949. And that is your answer. And you can round it now to 2 decimal place. You put a line after the second number, and the 2 is smaller, so it's 0.68. So the probability between 7.8 and 8.2 is 0.68. I hope that helps, and feel free to check some of the other questions out and to log into the other videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and to see more videos of like this. Thank you very much.